Did you know that you can use your Sun Gate to help attract ideal clients into your business? Hey guys, I'm Rachel Weaver and I am the human design and messaging expert. And I really want to talk about something a little different today. If you're bored of cookie cutter strategies, everyone talking about the same stuff over and over, and you're just kind of bored with content, your human design can help you break free from that cookie cutter, break free from sounding like everyone else, and really set you apart from everyone else talking about the same stuff, right? And today we're going to talk about your Sun Gate. Why are we talking about Sun Gate? Sun Gate is the top numbers you'll see in your body graph, right? You have two columns of numbers, and on the black side, the conscious side, you have the Sun Gate, and you also have the Sun Gate on your unconscious side. You can look at both, but we're going to talk about the conscious side for this video. But it is your big energy. It's what everyone feels from you, whether you are aware of it or not. It is in your aura. It is in who you are, right? Down to every fiber of your being. And when we look at this energy, we can look at it from a couple different perspectives, but we can also use it in our messaging, in our offers, in the way that we communicate what we do, because it is such a huge part of who we are, right? And I am a firm believer that when you show up in your authentic self, when you're aligned with your energy, that it becomes so much easier for people to see you. You kind of shine without having to try to shine. You just are. You just beam life, beam excitement, beam everything that you want everyone, like that you want people to see, right? So let's talk about Sun Gate. Now, everyone's going to have a little bit of a different Sun Gate. I like to look at it from the perspective of there are different energy levels to each gate, right? We have the lower expression, the kind of the problem, right? Each gate is going to have a challenge associated with it. And it's also going to have a gift, something that it is just inherently really good at once it's not stuck in the challenge anymore, right? So we can look at your own Sun Gate and go, are you in that challenge, right? Are you really stuck in that challenge still? Or have you gotten to the gift where you are exuding and feel like, yeah, I'm in that energy most of the time of the gift? If you're looking at gene keys, it's the gift and the city, right? The city is harder to get to, but the gift is kind of that energy you're reaching for, right? So with your Sun Gate, in your messaging, just in your regular old content, embodying that higher expression, that gift energy, are you doing that in your content? And the way I love to check on this is to take a piece of content that I've written and go to chat and be like, chat, I have Sun Gate 49. How would I use this in my messaging? And then giving it your post that you wrote and say, please rewrite this to weave in more of the essence of my Sun Gate 49 and see how it shifts and changes the words that it uses, as well as some of the phrases. It's wild how much more juice and depth it gives to it, which I love. I have a 1648, like I love depth. I love going at more things that are not just the surface level, like, hey, this is your human design type, but deeper and really understanding who we are at a much deeper level. So that's one way you can use it. It's just in your content. Are you exuding that higher vibration, that higher frequency of the gate? The second way to use it is using it more from your mission, right? I talk a lot about using Mercury as your mission, but to be honest, you can use any of your gates, it could be Sun Gate, Earth Gate, right? But when you are showing up as fully as yourself, right, that higher expression is going to influence everything in your business. And so, of course, it's going to influence your mission. What are you here to do for people? How are you here to serve people, right? So weaving that into your mission statement, maybe even your vision statement, right? How are you bringing this energy to life? And then the third and last way is to weave it into your offers. Are you exuding the higher expression of this Sun Gate energy in your offers? Like, take, for example, Gate 12. Are you expressing through storytelling your offers? Or Gate 38, Are you speaking to the resilience and fighting for what matters, right? How does that affect your offers and the promise of your offers, the transformation of them, right? Um, Again, going back to that like essence chat GPT prompt is one of my favorite prompts. So the first thing I always do is ask chat, like, what do you know about this gate and how to use it in my messaging? And I'm cross-referencing that to my own knowledge about human design and making sure that chat is giving me accurate information. But then it'll give you how to use that energy in your messaging. And then you can feed it even more information of here's my offer. How would I weave this information into my offer and the promise of my offer, or the problems of my offer, right? The benefits, all of those aspects of it. How can you weave more of that energy into it? And it's going to give you amazing suggestions on how you can do that. Those are the 3 ways. So your main content, right? Your mission and vision, the back end energy of your business, as well as your offers. Using this energy can be that piece of the puzzle that just kicks things into gear, where it takes you out of sounding like everyone else, trying to do the templates like everyone else, and it allows you to actually be unique, be yourself within your own messaging, right? I have a custom report. If you're curious about how to use your human design in your messaging, it's going to lay out all the different aspects that I look at when I'm looking at someone's chart, and then how you can implement that into your messaging and actually use it. Pretty awesome. So I'll send the link down below, but I'd love to know, what is your sun gate? What is the energy of your sun gate, and how do you want to use it in your business? How does it change the way that you view your business even, right? And view your messaging? I'd love to hear that. So drop a comment below. I am here to chat about all of that. So this is super quick and easy episode today. I hope to see you next week, where I don't know what we're gonna talk about next week. We'll have to find. I'll come up with a topic. Have a great week.